I was always wondering if device like this can actually start your car. Hey guys, today we are testing a jump starter from BangGood. This device should start your car even if the battery is completely flat, and of course you can use it as a power bank for all your other devices. So let's check what's inside the package and then we will test if it actually works. The device comes in a little plastic suitcase, and inside we have a lot of accessories to use with the jump starter. Whole package weighs about 1200 grams. And the device alone is less than a half of kilogram. And inside we have the device, we have our home charger to charge the device at home, we have a car charger so you can charge the jump starter while you are driving using the 12-volt outlet in your car. We have a laptop cable with a lot of connectors to choose from to fit your specific connector in your laptop. We have an USB charger with 4 different connectors, so you can fit to your device if it's a micro USB, mini USB, old iPhone 30-pin connector or the new Lightning connector. And of course we have crocodile clips for your car with a different length of the cables, so it's harder to short circuit the device. Okay, so let's test it out. Can you charge your phone or your laptop with it? I tried with 3 different devices at the same time, each using different connector, and all of the devices were charged at the same time without any problem. Same goes with the laptop. All you need to remember is to set the device to the correct voltage so you don't break your laptop if it's 12 volt and you are setting it to 19, for example. So be sure to use the correct voltage for your device. Can you use it as a flashlight? Yes, there are 2 LEDs in the jump starter. When you press and hold the button on the side, you turn on the flashlight, and with each single press you select a mode. So you have regular flashlight, you can use it as a strobe or send SOS messages with it. Can you use it as police light? Yes, there is an option to do that, but I don't think that you should. Check your local laws, because most likely it's illegal to impersonate a police officer. And the most important question, can you start a car with it? Over here we have Audi Coupe with 1.8 turbo engine, and the battery is completely disconnected from the car, so we are using only the jump starter. And as you can see, car starts without any problem. If you want to buy one of those, check the link in the description below this video. Thanks to the BangGood guys for providing this device for tests and review. Give me a thumbs up if this video was useful for you, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.